Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be talking about evergreen content and the importance of creating evergreen content in order to have a predictable passive income while you sleep. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Again, it's a lovely day today. Very nice, it's hot. I love it like this. Most YouTubers are trapped in a content treadmill. They chase a trend, get a high spike, and then drop. And why I say in a content treadmill is because you get a high spike in views and then you suddenly dies off and that video goes dead. It automatically dies. You know why? Because it's not evergreen content. But what if you could make a video today that you get views today, tomorrow, next week, next month, or even the next 5 years from now? That's the power of evergreen content. While a viral video gives you short-lived attention, evergreen content gives you a lifelong, predictable, passive income machine while you go to sleep. Evergreen content is teaching somebody how to do something. When you go on YouTube, YouTube is a search engine. Okay, and a lot of people come on YouTube searching on how to do something, and if you are creating evergreen content in relation to how to do something, that video is considered slow growth passive income video, because that video will always have views. Even if you're not posting on your channel, that video will keep your channel alive. Having evergreen content, having something on your channel as to how to do something, it's very beneficial for your channel and will always give you passive income, because it will always be functioning in your background even if you don't upload videos. Now, for example, I have got a video on my channel which I have posted about a year ago, and I am still getting views on that video simply because it's a video on how to do something, how to gain your nursing registration in Canada. That video has been performing in my background. I have been getting views on that video, and I have not been doing anything with that video, but it's billing me passive income in my background because it's an evergreen video. So to build a sustainable YouTube channel, evergreen content is very important for the platform. Step one is choosing the right foundation, because you cannot just make a video and hope it will last. If you're actually using YouTube as a product, you're using YouTube as a business, evergreen content would be a long life lasting business. So in that sense, you always look for a topic that is literally solving a problem. You're teaching somebody something, so they will always come to your channel because they know that you always provide valuable information that they would be looking for or that they are looking for. So you would always post things on your channel that will make sense, things that somebody would be looking for as to how to do this or how to do that, or how to find this, or why something is done. All these contents is considered evergreen content. Lifestyle channels, I am not going to put them down. They're very good channels because I am a lifestyle channel, right? I am not niched down, but niching down, it has its good and it has its bad parts of it. Okay, me personally, I will not niche down. However, I will, because I do lifestyle channel, I also integrate within my channel evergreen content. So if you come to my channel, you will see that I have got both non non-lasting content as well as evergreen content, where I am teaching something where you can learn from me. That is considered evergreen content. Something that I would say is a non-lasting, it's a quick fix. It's like me telling you, oh, just follow me on a day out today. Me just showing you I am going to the beach, or I am going to work, or something like that, I'm actually showing you my lifestyle, that is not considered evergreen content. So you would find that that video will get a quick fix. It will get a quick spike. It will get views, but then that views will suddenly die off because it's not something that somebody would be searching for every day just to look at somebody who is going to work. And don't get me wrong, I'm not condemning that in any way. But if you look at it at both sides, right? When we're talking about evergreen content, we're talking about teaching, we're talking about learning, we're talking about, you know, something that somebody can always come back and look at years down the line, that it will be beneficial to that person. All right. That's what we're talking about when we say evergreen content. All right. So for small YouTubers that's coming up as myself, I am trying to build my channel, and I have not been consistent. However, because I have evergreen content on my platform, my channel has not completely died off because I have got a lot of evergreen content on my channel, as well as lifestyle content where I would show me eating something, me going somewhere. You understand? Those videos, they're there, but some of them, they're just sitting there because nobody is interested in that. Nobody's interested in your life. Nobody's interested in what you're doing unless you have a community that is really, really interested in you. They would look at that, but that's short lived, right? Whereas if you have something that you're teaching somebody something, you would always find that people would always be on your channel. You would always get new subscribers. You will always get new viewers. You will always get more views as well because you are teaching somebody something. You are not just showing your life and showing how you live, right? Although a lot of people out there also wants to see how other people live in order for them to adjust their lives. So it's also important, but not as important as evergreen content. Evergreen content, actually, it's lifelong passive income. All when you once you upload that video there, even if you don't go back in months or years and do anything to that video, it is still there performing. To find that gold mine, don't look at what is performing today. Look at what people is searching for, because YouTube is consistently used as a search engine. If you want your evergreen videos to remain valid, do not put expiry dates on your stuff. Do not put expiry date on your product. Because from the time somebody go there and they see the date, they will get turned off of the video and they will click out. So don't limit your video. Avoid putting expiry date if you want a long lasting video as an evergreen video on something that you are teaching. Now, evergreen videos relies heavily on YouTube's search engine and suggestion. So you would always find that those videos, you would see that people will come and search for it, or it might be suggested by somebody else. Like somebody might go there and they might see the video and they might decide to share it with somebody else, or somebody else you might be having a discussion with somebody as to how to do something, and that person may refer them to your channel because they have used the same video in doing what they needed to do and was able to be successful using your video. So that's another way that you gain views, by suggestions or by YouTube suggesting your videos to people. So it's very important when considering growing your YouTube channel and you're trying to develop your YouTube channel into a business and a sustainable business. Stop chasing the algorithm, viral mood swings, and build something that's everlasting, evergreen content. You can never go wrong with posting evergreen content. I hope you learned something from me today. And if this video resonates with you, please leave a comment, like, share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a blessed day. Like an echo in your room. Think about it. Somebody might go on YouTube and try to find out how to fix an echo in your room. It's very hot, guys. It's extremely hot today. Now, YouTube in itself is a search engine. So most people when they want to find out how to do something that they're not sure about would actually go on YouTube.